Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Today I have something special. I ordered a Rockchip RK3588 Android media box from Mekotronics, and today it arrived. So here is the unboxing. They wrapped it completely in plastic, so we'll see if I can get it out. So, okay. Okay, so that's just so this is just a white box. So it says 4 plus 32, so it's 4 gigabytes of memory, 32 gigabytes of storage. Okay, so here is the Android media box itself. Let's see what else do we have in the box. So we have a power supply and power cable, and I assume this is a European power cable, and this has a barrel port. There is a high quality, well, they call it transmission cable, but it looks like it's an HDMI cable. And I assume it supports up to 8K. So I'm not really sure if you can see this, but it says 8K on the cable. And oh, it might be DisplayPort cable. So we have the antennas. There's 2 antennas. Ah, yes, so this is HDMI version 2.1, it says. So unfortunately I don't have an 8K television, and I'm just going to test it with an 1080p monitor. So here we have the unit. I think it comes in a aluminium casing. So I guess those are just LEDs for HDD, Wi-Fi, LAN, power, USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0, USB 2.0, Type-C, and looks like a Type-C port, and it says debug and power button. Nothing here. On the back there's the 12 volt in, and this is for one of the antennas. HDMI in, HDMI out, DisplayPort, 2 Ethernet ports. Not really sure what kind of connector this is, and for another antenna. So I'm going to connect the HDMI port. So, and I'm going to connect power. So let's see, switch on the monitor. Okay, so let's connect power. And you can see the LEDs blinking, hopefully. And wow, this is quick. This is really quick. So I guess it already started Android. Let's see. Go to connect the mouse. And let's see. So YouTube. Oh, of course there's no connection at the moment. So let's see. Where's going to plug in Ethernet on the USB 3.0 port. Let's see. Ethernet connected. It says no account yet. Okay, so let's okay. RK3588 box. Android TV OS version 12. Kernel version 5.10.66. Okay, so let's see what it does now. Okay, so let's see if we can get some 8K content. Yeah, let's plug in a keyboard. Okay, 8K video. Let's see what we get. So let's see this one. Yeah. Not really sure if this works. Autoplay is on. So let's see. Well, perhaps it doesn't like it that I... Ah, here it comes. So let's see when we set it to... Only allows me to go up to 720p. Okay, that's not fun. So let's see if we can... Okay. So when we go to Chrome, no. Okay. That's a pity. Well, it's a pity that Google isn't really cooperating here. Okay. Well, it's a pity doesn't allow me to sign up. Well, I guess I'll just okay, not that many apps. So these are, that's actually funny that it has an entry for Android Auto when it is Android TV, but anyway, perhaps they think you can bring your TV into the car. Let's see what this does. Well, I guess unfortunately for now I'll just stop it here and set things up properly, and I hope to come back to you as soon as possible. So if you have any questions about this new Android Rockchip RK3588 media box, let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can answer your questions. So for now, I hope to see you again in my next video.